Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how I usually fix my broken nails. See? Yeah, this. These tricks that I'm going to show you is really works well for me, so I'm going to share it with you. So if you wanna fix that broken nails of yours, just keep watching.
You'll need tea bag, small scissor, tweezer, super glue, nail file, clear nail polish, and any colored nail polish. So start with cutting the tea bag. Make sure you cut it close to the length and width of the break in your nails. Place the tea bag piece over the broken nail. Add a drop of glue. Then add another piece of tea bag and glue, dab it and let it dry. Using nail file, lightly smooth out the surface of your nails. Once your nails are buffed to smoothness, apply base coat. And voila! You got perfect nails once more. Time for some nail art, perhaps just a simple shade of red. This step is totally optional. So I just paint this one nail to show that this isn't noticeable at all, and also it's totally safe.
So yeah, that's how I fix my broken nails, and I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. As you notice that my channel is all about how-to stuff or DIY stuff because that's what I'm good at and I love to share it with you. That's why I created this channel. So thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos, and I love you all. Bye!